shopping experience. What's up guys, it's your girl Tam and I'm back with another video. Today I'm in Costco. This morning I went for my morning workout. Oh my god, it's so busy in here. Well, I know it's half term, but still. Anyway, this is a UK Costco shopping experience. This is probably my third time going to Costco, but my first time going and I can actually have a look around. I'm usually going and we're in a rush with my mum. She's somewhere. And yeah, we're not in a rush today, so stay tuned. The main thing that I'm getting in here is water, so don't really need anything else. Outfit check. It's cold. Some Puma trainers. So my mum just pointed out, I always look at this, right? But she was like, no, you need to look at including VAT. So I always manually just add 20% to this when they actually let you know what it is already. I bought one of these the other day and I realised we don't need it. Talking about this, by the way. So basically when you walk in, they've got all the electric stuff, all the washing stuff over there, jewelry, like household things, like hoovers and stuff like that. You can literally buy anything in here. Dyson, we've actually got this already. So good. Got the fryers, then you got Levi jeans. So £47.98. Don't know what the retail price is, but yeah. I feel like in here is good for like thermal stuff. So they've got jogging bottoms. These are £23.98. Definitely can go Primark for £6. But yeah. Oh, wicked. My mum was just telling me that on clothes they don't add VAT on most things. I don't like Crocs though, but these are cute. Anything kids are cute anyway.
Look at the quality of these.
Oh yeah.
You know, like if you're working in the winter.
It's got pockets as well.
Yeah. They're nice.
Oh yeah, just in case you lot like my outfit I bought on Amazon. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good material. And they've got bras and stuff. Drip on drip on drip. What is this? Champion. And then they've got a bit of Puma here. You can get your workout stuff. Not gonna lie, my mum is flying through the store. She loves this brand and I don't know why.
Believe me. Nice. The material is nice.
I love Under Armour.
I can wear this to carnival for the evening.
True.
Let me see, because I want to, I'm just gonna wear a t-shirt.
I was saying these will be cute for Christmas presents, like gift baskets, pajamas. And there's Naira. If you guys see this video, Auntie's saying that those pajamas look quite cute for you guys. DKNY. These jackets just give me auntie vibes. I know they're probably the warmest jacket you'll ever buy, but it's definitely auntie vibes. Look at these granddad slippers.
Yeah, but £11 Christmas is coming.
I'm starting my Christmas shopping in October. October or November, I just do it. Normally I do it in November because we've got Black Friday weekend. Oh, hi! That's so funny. Never leaving the house without this. So I want to try the food tasters. And they say these out. It's gonna run, take these out, and then I'm back. Wow. And then he walked into that. That would have been a mess. Okay. Now I'm back. Kind of find my mum. My mum loves this store. Taking my Invisaligns out. Oh, she's calling me. One sec.
That is only $3.69 for 6 onions.
My mum picked up my favourite bread rolls.
And this one for 2.5 is $3.99.
And then this one's $3.99. You get all of that. Mad. Oh, thank you. sweet calories. Let's go get a free watermelon. Everyone's so interactive in here. Freaking love it. So hi. Right, these are all cakes and stuff. I'll bring you guys through it slowly. So they've got Belgian chocolate chip shortbread, basically cookies. Over here they've got, what are these called? Red velvet cupcakes. Do you know that red velvet is actually just chocolate with red dye? If you didn't know that, now you know. Cool. They've got chocolate cake. Oh, this looks so good. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. They've got carrot cake. Not a fan, no thanks. But if you like carrot cake, that's for you. Bread rolls are always in this corner. And then they've got like a cold room with like other fruit and stuff. But like, if you're into big back energy, like me, I'm trying to unbig my back. But as I was saying, I'm trying to, oh yeah, they've got birthday cakes in here. Let me show you. I'm gonna be waving this around until I find a bin. I keep looking over here, but the camera's over there. I'm recording on my phone, but yeah, let me turn the camera around. Okay, so they've got birthday cakes. It's like girls, unisex, one that's got a crack in the middle, princess. So yeah, they've got like all different types. And then you come over here, you've got where they cut up the meat. And this is the meat they've got on sale. So they've got steak. I love a ribeye. That is a bit of meat. £31.60, but that's still
It's
worth
really
it
good
because one of those will cost you that in the restaurant, if not double. £103.75. That is a lot. Oh, £5 off per pack. Well, that's good. How was my fake accent? My fake Jamaican accent? Jamaican. Let me know. I want a Jamaican accent so bad. Seafood oil coming from my mom's channel. What is that?
This is steak.
Oh, that's steak.
Beef.
Tomahawk.
And that.
I've never seen that. Let me show you guys.
I can make a really nice pepper steak with this.
Pepper. Is that ribs?
Yeah.
I don't actually miss ribs, I'm not gonna lie.
This is beef.
Yeah, I know, I don't miss it.
And this, I can make something really nice with it. This is worth it.
Yeah.
£27.
£27.10. Fun fact, I don't eat pork, so my mum was saying as an alternative she can make beef ribs. But I actually don't miss eating ribs, so don't get me wrong, when I used to eat pork, ribs used to be 10-10, but I haven't eaten pork for like 12 years or something like that. We picked up so far, and like I said, we only came in here for water. That's what I only came in here for. But my mum's the type to pick up whatever.
This is £6.83, and all you do is bag separate, and that's your meal prep, because it's already seasoned up for uni.
Yeah.
For all the back to uni.
I'm the same, this is good for, this looks horrible on camera, but it's actually good. Like, she's saying for back to uni students. Just chuck it in the oven, bag up whatever you don't need, freeze it. Oh, that is a bargain. £2.49, £2.50. My mum just checked if they've got oxtail, but they said not until the winter. So in here you can get hot chicken for £4.78. Like I said, we're looking at the bottom, not the top. Pre-seasoned, but that's quite good. It's like a big chicken as well. What's down here? Oh, so you got some wings, £6.22. Not bad, not bad. For my rib lovers, you got a little pork ribs, £14.98. Not bad. That is a lot. See, this is great for like parties. It's octopus.
It's already cooked.
I don't want to eat octopus that looks like that. I need it to look a bit darker. How much fish, man?
The seafood boil is coming. Crab meat.
That's Umi's favourite, my little cousin Umi. She's a lover crab. Do you know what seaweed normally is?
What?
That we have in the Chinese shop. Actually shredded cabbage. And then they sprinkle salt on it.
Oh.
So this is paella. Look how much you get in there.
Oh, we might have rabbit in it and I don't eat.
The lady behind me is standing on the counter. I don't blame her. Got cookie dough. Yes, please. What is inside of it?
spinach and ricotta, so spinach and cheese.
Okay.
But we're sprinkling some grated Parmesan cheese on it for the flavor.
Okay.
Parmesan cheese is only going for $6.59.
Thank
The cheese
you.
goes well with any other pasta that you would want to have it with. It's not just the ravioli. Hello, how are you?
Someone told me, is the food actually nice in Costco, or is it that it's free? Is that why it tastes good? And ham, that is really, really good. So this is all like the fresh salad and stuff, and then that's them just making it inside there. And then they've got the other kitchens as well. So it's quite nice. You can actually see them making it, exactly what you're purchasing. This is for my plain chicken lovers. Got a bit of like Mexican here. Well, this is what they're making. They're making lasagna. Yum, yum, yum. Macaroni. Macaroni in the pot. That's some pizza. This is what we've come for. We finally made it. So yeah, let me pick these up and get back to you guys. How many? 240 sheets for £16 or £19.80. Gotta look at the VAT. So £6 for got sulfate in it, which isn't good for the skin. Yeah, I was reading the ingredients and I was like, oh, this is not good. But the one I bought is the purple one. They don't. Yeah. Pull up your pants and put it on your waist. I'm already tired. Huh? Yeah. Perfect for me to take food home for my party. It's just all about storage though. Like all of these things are great when you live in a house. If you ever come to our house and you want to know, this is what we buy. And they are £5.38, so I should do a price check of how much they are per box. So per container, one was in the box. So I can charge you. Ones that we get in the restaurants.
Yeah.
Halfway through Costco and I'm tired. Let me know how you lot get on with it, your Costco shops, because it's walking. Maybe because I went swimming this morning. I went aqua aerobics. It was so good. Thank God my mum put me on. Maggie. Great workout. It wasn't even 5 minutes. Look, the waters are all gone. They're restocking. They've got some. I just cover people. They got some in the back. It's cute. This is such a nice gift.
And guess how much it is?
How much?
£30.
That's such a good price for a gift like this. There we go. £23.98. Yes, please and thanks. 1.5 litres. Thank you. I don't even drink like that. It's just pretty bottle. Here's the Guinness. £38.98. Let me show you the Guinness. Let me show you the Jamaican. So this is the Guinness. Whenever I think of Guinness, yeah, obviously you always makes you think of Jamaican. But those of you who watch Moolah Juice, you know, Mad Unks love a Guinness. This is where Moolah needs to come. Moolah, you need to come here. Why don't they do a taster for the alcohol? Oh, they do? Oh, okay. But see, this is my type of alcohol. If I'm going to drink something alcoholic, I'll drink a Bailey's. I tried it for the first time last year, and it was alright. That's my grandma's drink. Rest in peace, grandma. I don't know why I was going to say Auntie Shaw, but I've never called it that, but everyone else does. They've got wine. As I'm here, I'm trying to see if they've got a nice drink for Connie. But to be fair, I can still get it cheaper in a supermarket. I think this year at Connie, I just want to have like a nice wave. Like I don't want to be drinking spirits. I just want a nice wine wave. I know Jew, you're like me and Jew. That is my Connie buddy. Oh, this is quite cute. Look at this. This reminds me of Damien Hirst. If you don't know who Damien Hirst is, Google it. Because he's actually got, I think it's a Diamante skeleton that he did. Don't know what museum it's in, but it's somewhere. As I was saying, this Connie, I want to be a nice, like, wine wave. Ooh, what's this? They've got frozen frozen ice lollies. Alcoholic ice lollies. That's what I was gonna say. I think Americans, you guys call it popsicles. Frozen popsicle. How was that? I haven't tried this flavor, but I bought 2 at the airport. 70cl is $23.98. And at the airport, I bought 2 1 liters for around £52 in duty free. So obviously that was way better, but kind of need to be going on holiday to obviously get that deal. And I've still got 1 bottle left. I opened 1 bottle on holiday, and I got blueberry and I think a blueberry and raspberry mix. So 1 blueberry and then 1 blueberry and raspberry mix. It was so my mom left me, but how did I know she's gonna be in the fridges? Fridges, freezers. And they've got fridges. You've got potato salad. You've got pesto, pasta, hot dogs. What's that? Ribs. How much cheese you can get? Oh my god, this is big back activities. I'm not gonna lie. Look how much cheese you get. We'll go back to get more ravioli. Give me 10 of them. They got kids' toys. Great gift idea. Fizzy drinks. I don't drink fizzy, so. They've got Milo. This is the name of my friend's son, Laura. I'm gonna tag her channel below, and hopefully that forces her to post some content. But she just had another baby, and his name's Milo. Obviously in English it's Milo, but yeah. Now I'm walking to the till with this, oh, Jesus, with this big trolley. Let me show you what we got. So this is what we've got, yeah. Let me pull to the side 1 sec. Why are they playing music? Anyway, we've got bread, we've got shrimp, cleaning products, wings, and that bowl that I showed you guys before. Now I'm heading to the till. Noodles? Yes, please. So this is the noodles I'm about to try.
And you got the 2 offer large box.
2 offer. So 2 of these boxes for how much?
You got the 2 offer ball.
Yeah.
$11.49.
Oh, $11.49 for 2 boxes. They've got the offer right now. It's normally obviously this price, $11.49 for 1. So that is the deal. Thank you. Right, we're gonna pull over and try this and see what it tastes like. It's actually spicy. Oh my gosh, that is so good for tuna, not gonna lie. £10 for 12. Nice. Peach slices. Only 1. Let's have a try. So basically, come to Costco hungry so you can try everything. Right, I'm gonna try some quavers. I can see that they've got some. These are the crisp samples. Let's have a try. Here. We already know what these taste like, but they're free. Food area. I didn't really like the food last time, so I won't get anything today. I got a pizza last time.
Cheaper than IKEA.
Okay guys, so we're finishing up in here and then we're heading to IKEA. I forgot we was going to IKEA. I thought we was going home. I'm actually tired, but one has to keep going. I think it's Jim that actually killed me. So. Oh, another thing. I didn't know this. In here, it tells you to walk one side and put your trolley on the other side. I didn't know that either.
Guys, they've got Brother's original popcorn.
Oh wow, I've never seen that before. This seems like the long part of getting out.